does. It's got a lot of power.
Not much brake.
No. It's got a new brake master cylinder in the front seat. To the left. You're good. To the left. To the left. Yeah, you're good. Go straight. To the left. There you go. Go ahead. Straighten her up. Ah, you're good. You're good. Huh? What?